Kyle Bradshaw from Chaparral Motorsports here with Pete from Matrix Concepts. Now, getting your motorcycle into the back of your truck safely and easily and with the most convenience is something that we're all looking for. Matrix Concepts this year has a new ramp, and Pete's going to tell us about it.
Well, Kyle, it's a 7000 series aircraft aluminum. It's 8 feet long. It's 4 inches wider than our standard A7 ramp, so a foot longer, a little bit wider, powder coated, all fully welded, and it's got a 500-pound weight capacity. So yeah, as you know, today's trucks are getting bigger, higher off the ground. So this is designed for those trucks, sits on the tailbed of the truck, and with today's UTVs, which is really one of the hottest segments in the industry, this is designed to work with those. Obviously, you would need a second one as well. And you know, at $169 retail value, you're not going to find a higher quality, lighter weight ramp. And again, foldable, which makes it really easy to carry around.
This 8-foot ramp is going to allow you to get your vehicle in and out of your taller pickup truck bed even easier than ever before. Now, Pete, does this come with a strap to secure the ramp to the vehicle so it doesn't slip out when loading?
No, it doesn't, but it's got a rubber base to prevent any movement. Yeah. So it's really not needed. Installed properly, you won't have any problem.
There you go. Matrix, doing the job, getting you the most lightweight, most durable ramps on the market. Please stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'm Kyle. This is Pete. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.